Okay, so we have the following circuit here. We have to define I/O using source transformation. So let's first redesign the circuit. We see these two are in parallel as they both fall in the same node. So we can rewrite this like this. So we can put the current here, so 5 amps here, and we can put these two here. So this will be 6 ohms and this will be 3 ohms, and this is still valid as they still fall in the same node. And then the circuit continues. So if we were to combine these two, we would get 2. Because 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6 and 1 over that answer we get is 2. Now we can combine these two. So now we know V equals IR. So I is 5 and resistor is 2. So V equals 10. So we can rewrite this circuit like this. Alright, so this will be 2 ohms here. This will be 10 volts here. And the positive is in the right direction because the negative is moving up. So like if we were to, because the current is moving up, so it's moving up and then right. So the positive will be on the right direction. And then we continue our circuit. So we have 5 volts here, 7 ohms here, 3 amps here, and then we have 1 ohm here and 4 ohms here. We can combine these two, they're in series, so it's 5. We can also combine these two. We have a 10 voltage and a 5 voltage. We can combine these two, and this will give us 15. 15 volts. Alright, now let's see what we can do. Sorry, this is 5. I forgot to write that. But yeah, okay. Now we can combine these two. So we know V is equal to IR again. So voltage is equal to the current, 3 times the resistor, 5. The voltage is equal to 15. So we can rewrite the circuit like this. So we have our resistor of 5 ohms, and then our voltage. So our voltage will be 15. And now we turn this really ugly looking circuit into something that's really easier to solve. So we're trying to find I/O, which will be the current passing through here. So let's do a quick mesh. Let's call this I1 and let's call this I2. I/O will be equal to I1 minus I2. So for mesh I1, it'll be 2I1 minus 15 plus 7 I1 minus I2. So let's FOIL this out more. And then for mesh I2, it'll be 7 I2 minus I1 plus 5 I2 plus 15. Distribute the 7. Okay, now let's collect like terms. So we have this and this. So 9 I1 minus 7 I2. Let's bring the 15 to the other side, so it'll be equal to 15. Now this one, we have 1 I1, so minus 7 I1. Combine these two, 7 plus 5. That gives you 12 plus 15. Let's solve for I1. That'll be minus 12 Actually, let me just bring the I1 to the other side. So it'll be 12 I2 plus 15 equals 7 I1. Divide both sides by 7. So I1 will be, so 12 over 7, that's 1.7142 I2 plus 15 over 7, that's 2.143. Now let's just put it in here. plus 2.143 minus 7I2 equals 15. Distribute the 9. So 1.7142 times 9, 15.4278 I2 plus, so 2.143 times 9, that's 19.287 minus 7I2 equals 15. Collect like terms. 15 times 4, 278, minus 7, that's 8.4278. Let's bring this 19.285 to the other side. So it'll be 15 minus 19.287. So it's minus 4.287. I2 will be minus 0.50867. So that means I1 will be I1 will be 1.271. Now we can find IO. IO will be 1.271 minus 0.50867, and that gives me 1.78 amps. And that's your final answer.